What's going on, YouTube? So today in this video we have a package from Omysalon. They seen one of my barber videos, so we're gonna start doing more barber videos this year. We're gonna review this chair that they sent me. Let's check it out. Pretty nice packaging so far. I'll leave a link in the description. Got the instructions here, and this is really nice. We have the armrests here. So first is the base. We're gonna screw all these on the bottom. Go ahead and take a look at the accessories. Two different sizes Allen, and then I think two different screwdriver types. And I believe this has a 400 max capacity weight, so it's pretty much going to be good for a lot of your clients out there. As long as you're not fading Godzilla, you'll be pretty much good. Alright, so we're just going to line the screws here, and then we're just going to hand tighten these first in a star pattern, and finally we'll do this one right here. Alright, so now they're all hand tightened. Now we're going to get the bigger Allen key and we're going to tighten them in the same star pattern that we put them on. We're going to tighten this one, and the feet, they do have like little rubber pads as well, so it doesn't like move around or scrape the ground rather. Get the foot bar, and you have to make sure you're putting it in the right way. I'm not too sure which way it goes. So there are screws built in, so you just have to tighten those screws. So we're going to use the smaller Allen key, and we will tighten these. That's one, and that's two. Okay, I hope I installed it the right way. It might be flipped the other way, but for now we're just going to keep moving. This would be the front, and this would be the back towards this bottom half. Towards the back, and these right here towards the back as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and get these, and they're washers here. Basically we'll just push these through, and you have the washers on the outside. Alright, so we're going to hand tighten these until we can get them into their threads, and then we'll tighten with the wrench afterwards. Alright, so now that those three are tightened, this thing is not going to go anywhere. Alright, so we have to remove these 4 bolts, which looks like one, I think they're aligned. Yeah, they're aligned, angled, but we're going to remove these 4. So we're going to use the Allen wrench to remove these. There's 2 of these little mounting brackets, I guess you could say. And the backrest does have little zippers, so you can replace the foam or add more foam or whatever it needs to do, or better foam, I guess you could say. So there's 4 more screws here on the back, which we're going to go ahead and remove. There we go. So that's hand tightened, and then we'll basically just apply the backrest in like so and adjust it as needed, like that. We can start with the backrest. So we're just gonna align these, and it will be hovered slightly. Align the top screws first. Look at that weld job. So now we're gonna turn over the chair, and then we're gonna go ahead and install this. Take off those screws and apply them on this like that. So this is the finished result on the barber chair. You got the little step thing right here. You hold it to lower it, and then just obviously step to make it go up. Alright, so now you can lock it into its spot by just like pressing up, like with your foot, or you can have it free by just doing that, pressing it on once. But it's pretty cool. I like that it's not in the way. It's very small but easy to find. So it's not like protruding out a lot. And it's super smooth, super quiet. Even the footrest is pretty good. And it's very comfortable. Good job. Alright, YouTube, so you know we did actually have to use this. So we went ahead and hit up one of our clients, and we're going to be cutting hair for the first time on someone else's hair on camera. This is actually my 4th haircut on someone else. I've done this specific person twice, and the very first time I've ever cut his hair, it was horrible. If you want to see the results on this video, I highly recommend watching this video once it comes out. Spoiler warning, it came out really, really fresh, really clean, and I'm happy with the results. This is what the results looks like. Just a quick sneak peek. Overall, for the chair itself, it's super comfortable. It was about an hour to hour and a half haircut. he had no issues whatsoever. It was very comfortable. I'm honestly very impressed when it comes to the build quality and all the features that this provides at the price point. It's a great investment. I highly recommend it for anyone starting off barbering. It's good for sitting in long sessions when you're doing 1 hour, 2 hour cuts. It'll handle it no problem. It has good back support. Has nice armrests here as well. I wish they were padded, but these do last longer, so they won't wear down over time, which is good. And they're still pretty comfortable. So don't get me wrong on that. It has a great amount of width, so for the bigger people out there, it'll still fit you perfectly. And for those skinny people like me, it'll still fit you just fine. It's very comfortable. Honestly, I would use this as a normal chair, but it's super comfortable. Without further ado, thank you for watching, and we out.